Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kalissa, and today I'm going to be doing a Slytherin inspired makeup tutorial. So first we're going to start off with the Ulta Beauty and Harry Potter collection that came out, and I'm using the Slytherin eyeshadow palette, and I'm very excited. I'm going in with Pebble first, and then I'm going to go in with the olive green shade called Herb. And I am using the eyeshadow brush that came in the collection. It is the Harry Potter eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to take the shade Ivy and put that all over my lid. Then I'm going to take the shade Black Lake and apply that to my outer part of my eye, kind of like as a faux eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with some moisturizer. This is the Angel Aqua Cream. I got it in the store Riley Rose. I believe it's a Korean brand. And then I'm going to go in with the Henrickson Banana Primer. Now I'm going in with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer and just concealing all of my blemishes and dark spots that I have. I'm not blending it out, I'm just applying it as you see here. And then I'm going to be applying the Morphe Foundation right on top of that. And I'm using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, which is one of my favorites. Now I'm using a NYX HD Concealer, but in obviously a very deep shade for my skin tone. And I'm going to be using that as a contour. I really love the formula of this concealer. It blends out really nicely. And then for under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, also one of my favorites. The coverage is great and it looks super smooth and lasts all day. So for setting powder, I'm going to be using the Mercier setting powder. I haven't used this puppy, oh my goodness, in almost 3 years. Yeah, crazy. But I love it. I think it's really good. It's still one of the best. Now I'm going to be taking the Faced Chocolate Bronzer, and I'm going to be setting my contour kind of, even though it doesn't really need to be set, and just intensifying it to give me more definition and more bronziness. And then I'm going to be finishing up the eye. I'm using the same shades that I used on my upper lid, and I'm just putting that on my lower lid to make everything cohesive. And then I'm just dusting off that setting powder from underneath my eyes because it caught all the fallout. And then I'm going to be setting my face with the Morphe setting spray. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Trio highlighter by Too Faced, and this is such a good highlight. It's very nice, very smooth. And then for blush, I'm also going to be using a Peach Too Faced blush and applying that to add some color to my cheeks. Now for lips, I'm going to be going in with the, I believe this is Sorme lip liner in the shade Natural 11, I believe it is. And then for liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using KVD Vegan Beauty Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. And this is such a great color, no transfer. Alright guys, that is it. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos, and follow me on Instagrams. And I hope my little bembas have a blessed day. Make sure that you guys check out the description box below